Hello everyone. I know that you are facing some problem with your referencing tool Mendeley, and like for sure you face this problem because of some restrictions on the internet. And I checked it and I cross verified it. So first of all, when you have arrived in your homes, definitely you will not face this problem with your home internet. But when you are working in geotech, like I have figured out multiple ways by which we can work with Mendeley, even in geotech. So first of all, like because whenever you are working on research, I will advise you can if geotech internet is causing problem even in the university, you can connect your own mobile phone's internet so that you can start working with Mendeley, or you can try any of these solutions that I am going to give you now. For example, the first thing is that when you go to Google Scholar, now I am also using Windows laptop so that I can understand your problems better. So I go to Google, sorry, and I go to Google Scholar. So for example, I search urban planning here. Now, as I told you that one way is that you can download the reference from here. I will again repeat this method, but I will repeat this once I explain other methods. So first thing is that if this is not working for you because of the internet problem, you are not able to download the file, then the other method is that you click over here, you go to settings, and then you go to this bibliography manager, and here in your case bibtex is selected, so you will click here and you will select Refman and you save it. So once you select Refman, then for each reference a tab will appear, import into Refman under each reference. If you, in your case, if bibtex is selected, then this option will not appear, but once you change it in the settings, this option will appear. So for example, for this book, Ecology in Urban Planning, I will click on this here, import into Refman. So basically a file will be downloaded, scholar.1.ris. It's another extension. .bib also works with Mendeley, and .ris also works with Mendeley. So I will copy it and I am going to paste it on my desktop. So this is the file. So now I open my Mendeley, and here in Mendeley I'm deleting some of the references. I was just checking. So now my Mendeley is open. So this .ris file perfectly works with Mendeley, and on geotext internet on this extension there is no restriction. So you can just click and drag it here and it will work. You see, ecology and urban planning, it is the references added, the source is added, the year of publication, author's name, everything is added. So it is working perfectly. So now you can work in Microsoft Word with this reference. This is one way. Now we check another way. So the second way is, for example, this is the book that I liked it and I want to put it in my research. What I will do, I can also download the PDF of this book. Or for example, we check for this book, Urban Planning and GIS. So I download the PDF of this book. Once again, there are three methods. One is downloading .ris file or Refman file. The second thing is that downloading the PDF file. And the third one I already explained in the class, but because of internet issues, we face the problem. So here, what we can do, we can download this PDF. I'm just saving it as a PDF file. Save as PDF on desktop, for example, or urban planning book. I'm just naming it. You can put any name, desktop. So now I can see on the desktop, by the way, where it went. I saved it on the desktop. Yeah, now it appears. So here on the desktop, urban planning book is there. So PDFs also work with Mendeley. So you can directly drag and add a PDF here. Now you see the use of GIS in urban planning. This is also added in Mendeley. But again, like with the PDF file, sometimes some of the information is being missed. So you can manually add this information, but I will recommend the best method would be because it's it's a big like document which has a lot of text. Sometimes software doesn't fix it correctly, but many times I check that it also picks correctly. So but here in this case, for example, with our Mendeley, so we saw that like some of the information is missing. You see here in this case, but here you can manually add authors names if from the title page or from the first page of the book. But I will recommend saving .ris file where we added a reference here is the best way, but PDFs can also be added. This is another option. So the same reference we tried with .ris file. So now I go back. So this is GIS and urban planning book. So if I click on import into Refman, so I copy it and I paste it here on the desktop. This is Scholar 2 RIS. So I can also add this here. And now you see the difference. The name of the book, year of publication, authors, everything is correctly picked. So PDF is one option, but the better option is .ris file. And now I will move to the next method, the third and last one. I'm just deleting these ones. The last method I already showed you in the class, but again that was the problem which you were facing due to the internet. There was no like problem in the process. That was just a technical problem. So now the third thing is that, for example, the this reference, urban planning and sustainable development. So what I told you that you click on the site, then you right click on BibTeX and you click on save link as. Now if you are connected to the GUTech internet, here it will be written HTML. Whenever it is written HTML, it means it will not work or it will not be downloaded. But now like if you are connected with your own phone's internet or maybe with FOS, it perfectly works. So you need to select all files here and then you need to add scholar.bib. You need to add an extension of bib. So you can use any method, .ris, .bib. I am showing you all the methods. So you save it on the desktop. Now we will see the file appears here. Oh, two times it got the extension. Sorry. I will .bib. So now I have my Mendeley open in front of me. So if I add it here,